In near-total darkness, microscopic dust drifts through space, unbound, unorganized, waiting for gravity to awaken. Density increases as fragments collide silently, brief flashes marking the first sparks of structure. Time stretches backward as a dim golden glow forms ahead, the newborn sun igniting within the nebula. Near this young star, rock and ice follow chaotic paths, colliding and fusing into growing proto-worlds. Impacts intensify, shockwaves rippling outward like silent lightning through dust-filled space. A dense swarm of planetesimals emerges, some reaching continental scale, their gravity reshaping nearby motion. Two massive bodies collide violently, ejecting molten material into a luminous, expanding cloud. From the debris, a temporary ring forms, fragments orbiting briefly before shattering again. Across the inner system, proto-worlds compete relentlessly, one rocky body slowly gaining dominance. From darkness, a Mars-sized world appears, Theia, its orbit quietly converging with early Earth. Tidal forces stretch the proto-Earth, cracking its surface as internal heat surges outward. Farther away, a giant begins to rise, Proto-Jupiter, surrounded by turbulent, collapsing gas. Within Jupiter, colossal storms twist endlessly, influencing material across the young solar system. Asteroids are flung inward by Jupiter's gravity, their paths bending toward the inner planets. Between Mars and Jupiter, matter fails to unite, forming a primitive asteroid belt. Gradually, the system begins to quiet as major collisions grow less frequent. The dominant rocky world becomes isolated, surrounded by fading chaos. Its surface glows as a global magma ocean, radiating heat into space. From above, overlapping scars reveal a violent history written in molten stone. The planet hangs dark and cloudless, without oceans, continents, or calm. Time stretches across millions of years as distant stars drift slowly behind. Darkness briefly returns, marking a pause in planetary violence. Stillness settles, not peace, but preparation. The solar system stabilizes, planets following defined yet youthful orbits. Closer now, the rocky world remains barren, its surface scarred and glowing with residual heat. The crust thickens as molten regions retreat and gases escape upward. Heavy clouds form from vapor and volcanic breath, sunlight diffusing through a dense sky. Beneath these clouds, water begins to condense into dark, mineral-rich oceans. The ocean surface slowly calms as catastrophic impacts fade into rarity. Ancient rock records extreme pressure, heat, and collision in every fracture. The view pulls outward as the planet settles into a quieter orbit. A wide view reveals a young solar system, still hot, still unfamiliar. The system drifts into a deep, timeless star field. In darkness, a faint rocky planet glows, not yet Earth, but becoming. Light fades completely, silence holding billions of years of history. From chaos came structure, from collision came worlds, and from fire, the possibility of life.